Welcome to ZoubeirsWorld. Right behind me is St. Kitts, and you are watching the episode of the island of Statia. You are watching ZoubeirsWorld.
Welcome to the old gin house. I just put all my bags inside the room. I packed up, brought some water with me, and this is the first time that I'm putting my foot on Statia. And now I am going to explore and at the same time showing you guys what I am going to see for the first time. So I booked my room at this, well, I think it's a hotel resort, I don't know, apartments. It's called the Old Gin House, and because of COVID-19, unfortunately, a lot of services on this resort are closed, but the rooms are beautiful. And yeah, I recommend for everybody, if you want to go to Statia, come to the Old Gin House. And as you can see right over here, a 17th century cannon. This is the middle of the lowest part of Orania or the Orange City. So now I'm going to walk until the beginning of this boulevard, and then we're gonna walk all the way back and go up to the old town, because what you see right on top of the hill, that's a fort. The fort was built in the 17th century. You see some cannons on top of them. I'm going to show you that later. I haven't been on top yet, but I can see it from here. But I want to start my video from the beginning of this long street, because there are some interesting things over there. Am I seeing this right? Who's this? Is the Caribbean version of Bold and Bankrupt? What does he say? Keep Statia clean. All right. So I just arrived here at the beginning of the boulevard. This is the place that I wanted to show you first before we head over to the top of the hill. And as you can see right over here, these are some ruins on this volcanic sand. Everything what you see here is built around the 17th century. I don't really know the real purpose of these buildings here alongside this volcanic beach, but what I know is that Statia is called the Golden Rock because it's a strategic island. A lot of pirates use this island as a transfer hub, like the modern days transit airports. Well, in the pirate times, this is a transit island. All right. So now it's time to go on top of that hill so we can go to the fort. When we talk about the Caribbean, we all think about white sandy beaches, bounty islands. But no, Statia has a volcanic beach, because Statia is like Saba, a volcano. And all the sand here is coming from the volcano. And I disagree with people that say, whoa, whoa, whoa. I disagree with people that say that only white beaches are beautiful, but the structure is the same as normal sand, so it feels the same. It is the same, it's only a different color. I think this is the way to go up. I don't know if this door can be opened. Let's see, keep gate closed, don't let the goats in no matter what they tell you. Bah. Let me see, how can we open this gate? Ah, all right. So Statia is with Saba and St. Maarten the SSS Islands. They call them the SSS Islands because they all started with S. Well, I've started in Sint-Maarten. I went to Saba. I stayed there for a long time during this COVID-19 pandemic issues. And now we are finishing the SSS tour here in Statia. Statia is the English name of this island, but the official Dutch name of this island is Sint Eustatius. I'm sweating already. Oh, you see the sweat drops on my nose, on my forehead. But this is all for a good cause. Oh wow, look at the views from here. That's the road where I came from. So beautiful, everything is green with the palm trees. You see the boats in the background, the clear blue water, the old houses. That over there, that's the old gin house, that's the main building, and I'm sleeping in these apartments, one of these apartments. What you also can see very far right over there, that's Saba. That's where I came from. This is the old historical site and they want to keep it as a whole, so that's why they put something around the cliff to keep it as it is, because otherwise it will break down and the old city wall will fall with all those historical objects on top of this historical wall, because this historical wall is going all around Orania, and Orania is the capital city of Statia, or Sint Eustatius. So I'm lucky that I still can see this beautiful site as it is right now, and we don't know what is going to happen with this cliff, but yeah, it looks quite solid as it is right now. They wrapped this cliff around with something, but I don't know what it is. But I can see there are some metal pins everywhere. So anyways, let's go. Let's see how the old town looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, horse stack is attached. Head is matty black, got my shoes in black to match. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold your goats. Yeah, I'm gonna take my goats to the old town road. I'm gonna walk till I can't no more. Oh, wow. It's funny to see that in a Caribbean island like this, you have Dutch street signs. And now we're going to Fort Orania, where all those cannons are to defend the city from other pirates, like the British, maybe the Somalian pirates even. All right. So now we are entering Fort Orania, or Orange City. Woo! Ah! I'm not gonna repeat that part. I slipped, I tripped, I injured my toe, but we move on. As you can see, Fort Orania is built on top of the old city wall. And this is a very strategic location to defend this part of the island. And on my left you have 1, 2, 3, 4 cannons facing different directions, and on the right you have also 1, 2, 3, 4 cannons facing the other side of the island. As I already mentioned, there is a difference between the upper part of the city and the lower part of the city. Let me show you. Alright, so now you can see the lower part of Orania. And Statia was a very important trading island, and that's why this island was called the Golden Rock. And the difference between the upper and the lower part is that the pirates used the lower part for tradings and the upper part was used for living. So all the houses were on the upper part and the lower part was full of storages, bars, pirate nightclubs. Pirate ships from all around the Caribbean come to this island to trade slaves, trade goods, and in the night go find a bar to drink some rum. The island of Statia was well known for trading goods and trading slaves. The stories about the European pirates all around the Caribbean is unfortunately romanticized, but the truth is, it's a dark history. The old church of Orania. Can we enter this? Can we open the door? It's locked. What do you have here? Door mij Beatrix, koningin der Nederlanden. Oh, door mij Beatrix. Door mij, Beatrix. Koningin der Nederlanden werd door het leggen van deze eerste steen het sein voor de restauratie van de NH-kerk gegeven. Sint Eustatius, 6 november 1980. So this sign says that the old queen, Beatrix, gave the permission in 1980. 1980? Yeah, in 1980. To renovate this old church. So where is this path leading me to? When I see an open area and an ocean, then there must be a spectacular view. Oh, look at this! Those look like camouflaged soldiers. Ha! Gotcha! Saw you too. Saw you hiding. Come out, wherever you are. Oh. And right over there you can see Saba again. Beautiful. Fort Orania. Caribbean waters. Some boats. 8 months of traveling here in the Caribbean. And this is the first time that I have seen a pink thing. What up, goat? Alright, let me finish my thing and then I think I'm going to hitchhike. This will be the second time in my life that I'm going to hitchhike. Do you want to see the first time that I ever hitchhiked? Please click on the link on the right top corner. This sign says the road to the white wall, and that's where I'm heading to. And just when I was filming the sign, the one and only car that is driving on this road passed me by. So still no car around to hitchhike. Wow, look at this. Look at this. It's an old truck covered with plants, with bushes. Wow. So at the church we saw some camouflaged soldiers, and this is their camouflaged vehicle. Maybe this is a rocket launcher. A nuclear rocket launcher. A nuclear camouflaged rocket launcher. Interesting. At the first sight, it looks like a normal tree. But if you look at it a little bit longer, then you will realize that this is a cactus. And it's huge. Still walking, still no cars. Trying to hitchhike, but the only thing I see are chickens and goats. Weg naar White Wall, or the road to the White Wall. Oh, I see a straight road. If I had a Ford Mustang right now, I would be already there. But now I have a Ford Slippers. So So let's see how fast these Ford slippers are. V8. Usain Bolt. I hear some music. There's a party going on at this villa. Maybe I can join. Unfortunately, they didn't want to let me in to party with them. So now I'm back to my roots, partying with the goats. Hey goats, Wagwan, where you going to? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, man? Come on. Where you going? Still walking, still no ride. Hitchhiking on this island is terrible. Oh, and you know what? I can see my future island in front of me, St. Kitts, and I see a very, very small top of Nevis behind it. This is the closest I've ever been to St. Kitts, and I'm getting closer and closer. Wow, let me see the end of this island, and then I think I'm going to fly with my drone. And here we are, without any car, without hitchhiking, just with my slippers. I've made it at Fort de Wind. This is the fort that is defending this side of the island. Woo! Oh wow! Oh, let me sit down. Let me sit down for a second. All right, so the view that I'm having right now is amazing, because I can see with my naked eyes a country that I haven't visited yet, a country that I really want to visit in the future. Woo! My goal in this life is to visit all countries in the world. And the strangest part of today is I can see an island, a country, right in front of me that I haven't been to yet. And it is very difficult to reach this island from here, because there are no ferries that go to St. Kitts. There are no flights that go to St. Kitts. The only way to go to St. Kitts is go to Sint-Maarten and fly from Sint-Maarten to St. Kitts. Let's see how friendly this island is, and if this guy can take me to the supermarket. Nope. Instead of giving me a ride, he's making a wheelie. Okay. All right.